Let her rip. Woo! Yeah! We got Drew here. How we feeling, Drew?
Feel good.
Yo, what up, guys? This is Kenny from Duke's Vault. If you don't know me, I'm the manager here. I just want to give you guys an update. It looks like we're making some good headway. We got the flooring guys here today. God, the shop looks amazing. I am so excited for you guys to see this. Just wanted to thank each and every one of you supporting the shop, for coming in every Friday for league days, showing up to our events. You guys have really shown up, and this is just the way to pay you guys back. So super excited to show you guys a new shop. Excited for day one opening. Let's get it.
All right, guys, it's getting there. We're doing the final pack up, or some of the pack up, before we get to the new shop. We got some goobers in here helping us out, but she's in chaos. Stay tuned.
Thank you. Deeply. Thought you guys this would have never happened.
Cry, 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 cry. We did it. And we're here. Would you just look at it?
Can I get a big cheer?
Hey, I'm Noah. What I like about the new Duke's Vault is the space. We can do a lot of cool tournaments and have just more space to hang out. So,
hey, I'm Sean, and what I like about Duke's new vault is his ho-oh from Skyridge over there, looking crispy and near mint. Almost want to scoop it myself.
This is Adam. Welcome to Dukes. This is Adam. We're doing our first Summer Series Smash tournament here at Duke's Vault. We're excited to have 20 players tonight. We have missed you guys, and we're glad to be back.
I'd wait for you to push me.
Hey guys, this is Kenny. Welcome to Duke's Vault. Just kidding.
Hey guys.
Morning, everybody. 8 a.m. Sitting here on this. It's a little gloomy, a little foggy out. But man, it's been amazing since my little private party, soft open thing. A lot of people showed up. Grand opening was amazing. Saturday was amazing. I'm sure all y'all are off and about to show up and hang out Sunday as well. I'm off today, but here finishing some stuff. But I just wanted to say thank you, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Worked really hard on it. Been really enjoying making this stuff, shooting content and all that. So thank you guys for the opportunity. It's been amazing. So I can't wait to grow with y'all and keep making some banger videos. It only gets better from here. Let's get it.